I'm sorry, but if you actually believe in the Tuvalu EAS alarm, you must be fucking stupid, cause this shit is not real. It's actually a TikTok song in reverse. That song being Brooklyn Blood Pop. Look, here's a reversed version. And if you still don't believe me, here's a video of the Tuvalu EAS alarm reversed. If you actually believe in the Tuvalu EAS alarm, you must be dumber than Sponge Tard, Patrick Tard, Squid Tard, Kenzo, Soda Productions, and his whole community combined!